legs together, hands by the side of your body. Slowly raise your right arm up. Turn your palm up. Inhale and raise your right hand. Your bicep should touch your ear. Now slowly bend towards the left side. Your left hand should be completely hanging. Maintain it for 5 counts. Keep your breathing normal in the final posture. Slowly come back, exhale and come to Sthiti. Spread your legs up to shoulder width apart. Now slowly inhale and raise your both the arms. Move your right leg towards the right side, your left leg slightly towards the right. Now slowly inhale and bend your body towards the right. Catch hold your hand with your right ankle joint. Look up in the final position. Maintain it for 5 counts. Keep your breathing normal in the final position. Slowly exhale, come back in reverse order, drop down your hands, come to Sthiti, your legs together. Bring your both the legs together, hands by the side of your body. Slowly inhale and raise your leg up to 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Now slowly inhale and raise your back at 90 degree. You can take the support of your hand. Perform Jalandhar Bandha, that is chin lock. Try to touch your chin to your chest. Keep your breathing normal in the final position. Now slowly come back. Exhale. Keep your back over the ground. 90 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree on the ground. Do not jerk. Your legs apart, hands apart. Bring your both the legs together, hands by the side of your body. Slowly inhale and raise your leg up to 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Maintain here for 5 count. Keep your breathing normal in the final position. Do not bend your knees. Come back to 60 degree, 30 degree on the ground. Keep your legs apart, hands apart. Bring your both the legs together, hands by the side of your body. Fold your both the legs. Catch hold your ankle joint with your hand. Slowly inhale and raise your chest as if you are forming a bridge. Maintain it for 5 counts. Keep your breathing normal in the final posture. Now exhale. Come back. Drop down your legs. Keep your legs apart, hands apart. Bring your both the legs together, hands by the side of your body. Slowly inhale and raise your leg up to 30 degree, 60 degree. Now fold your both the legs, interlock your fingers and catch hold your legs with your hands. Now slowly try to touch your forehead to your knee. Keep your breathing normal in the final position. Maintain it for 5 counts. Exhale. Come back in reverse order. Slowly bring your legs at 60, 30 on the ground. Do not jerk. Bring your both the legs together, hands by the side of your body. Slowly bring your both the arms besides your chest. Now inhale and raise your chin, throat, chest till your navel region. Maintain it for 5 counts. Keep your breathing normal in the final posture. Slowly exhale. Come back. Keep your legs apart, heels facing each other. Your right hand on the left shoulder and your left hand on the right shoulder. Bring your both the legs together, hands by the side of your body. Make a fist of your hands. Keep it under your thigh. Now slowly inhale and raise your both the legs simultaneously. Do not lift your chin. Keep your breathing normal in the final position. Do not bend your knees. Maintain it for 5 counts. Slowly exhale and come back. Your legs apart, heels facing each other. Bring your both the legs together, hands by the side of your body. Slowly fold your right leg. Inhale and raise your both the arms. Turn your body towards the right. Catch hold your ankle joint with your left hand. Twist your body towards the right side. Look back in the final position. Slowly come back in reverse order. Exhale. Bring your both the arms down, legs down. Keep your both the legs apart, hands apart. Bring your both the legs together, hands by the side of your body. Slowly fold your right leg. Keep it over your right buttock. Your left leg, keep it over your left buttock. Keep your both the hands on your knees. Keep your back erect, neck erect, head erect. Be in this position for a while. Those who have problem on knee, do not perform this asana. Come back, exhale, drop your both the legs, your legs apart, hands at the back, head in any comfortable position. Keep your hands in Gyan Mudra. Close your eyes. Inhale deeply and while exhaling, exhale passively. If you are a beginner, perform 20 strokes at a time. Perform Nasika Mudra, your thumb and last 2 fingers extended. Now, close your right nostril. Inhale through your left nostril. Close your left nostril. Exhale through your right nostril. Now inhale through your right nostril. Close your right nostril. Exhale through your left. This is 1 round. Perform it for 5 rounds. Keep your body erect, spine erect, neck erect, head erect. Now close your ears with your thumb, eyes with the index finger, nose with the middle finger, upper lip with the ring finger, lower lip with the little finger. Inhale and while exhaling produce humming bee sound. This is 1 round. You can perform it for 5 rounds.